Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Wine on Ubuntu. So first we need to update the Ubuntu repo. Just run this command sudo apt update. So after that we can install Wine. So we can run this command apt install Wine 64. Then type Y and press enter. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. So let me check the version. Five 5.0. So let me go to winehq.org, then click on browse apps. So here you can find the apps which Wine supported. So I have downloaded 7-zip. So 7-zip exe file. So I am going to install it using Wine. So let me go to downloads folder. There you can see 7-zip exe file. Let me run like this Wine. So this way we can install Wine and install Windows applications. Let me click on install. Okay, installation completed. Let me go to /home.wine drives program files. There you can see 7-zip. Go to that file folder, then do ls. So we need to run this program. Copy it. Let me clear the screen. Then type Wine. Then that 7-zip is 7 is at f1.exe. Let me enter. See, it's opened 7-zip. So this way we can install Wine and we can run Windows program on Ubuntu or Linux system.